Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Subject Science, Grade 5, Chapter number 7, Weather Patterns, Lesson number 2, Clouds and Precipitation, page number 380. The vocabulary words: how do clouds form? Cirrus clouds, cumulus clouds, stratus clouds, and fog. So let's start today's lesson. How do clouds form? Sometimes you look up at the sky and see nothing but blue. First, one fluffy white cloud appears, then another and another. The clouds grow larger and darker. Now, the sky is covered by a grey blanket of cloud. So the question rises here: how did these clouds form in what looked like an empty sky? Water vapor is one of the gases in the atmosphere. As water vapor particles are carried higher, they begin to lose heat energy and become colder. As they become colder, they lose speed and comes closer together. When water vapors particles have slowed enough, they condense around tiny particles of dust. You may have seen condensed drops of water on shower door or on the sides of the cold glasses of liquid and on grasses early in the morning. These drops of water condense from water vapors in the air in the same way that cloud droplets do. So the type of air a cloud is known as cirrus clouds. The appearance of a cloud depends on how high it from in the atmosphere and what the temperature is there. Cirrus clouds form at the highest altitude. They usually form from ice crystals when liquid water is cooled below its freezing point. What is the freezing point here? It's 0 degree Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit. Lower clouds form from water droplets. These clouds may appear gray or black. This occurs when the water droplets are so dense that sunlight is unable to pass through. You can see here these are the types of cirrus clouds. Two kinds of clouds that form from water droplets are cumulus and stratus clouds. Cumulus clouds are fluffy clouds that form at middle altitude. Stratus clouds are layered and form at low altitude. Now these are the two types of the clouds. One is here and second is here. So the last topic of today is fog. When the temperature near the ground is cool, water vapors form fog. Fog is a cloud that form near the ground. So you can see here this everywhere, or you can say that almost near the ground is fog. Thanks for watching.